here we go. Oh, did you get me something nice for Valentine's Day? What the? You're not you're not asking me, are you? Whoa, the answer is yes. I will help you with your homework assignment. You thought I was talking about something else, putting it on that ring right there. Whoa, I'm already taken. Whoa. Um, so we're working on 8.1, and either I'm there with you, or maybe we've got somebody else there, like Steve Ramsar, Santa Claus, name drop. Woo! So he's been helping me while I've been helping my wife in England because they have to sell her childhood home to pay for her 94-year-old father's home care. I know, crazy, right? Yeah. So gotta help her. It's gonna be kind of traumatic. All right, so let's see. 8.1 is about equations of a line. Do you remember equations of a line? Do you remember some formulas that we could use to help us? Like y equals mx plus b. Do you remember that formula? What about the slope formula? M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Those are some formulas that come to my mind, right? Or what about rise over run? Do you remember rise over run? Yeah. So lines Q and R lie in the standard xy plane. An equation for the line of Q is y equals 0.15x plus 4,000. The slope of linear R is 0.1. The slope is 1.1. Nice. Ooh, it's greater. So the slope of line R is 0.1 greater. So is 0.1 greater than the slope of line Q. What is the slope for line R? Oh, okay, well we take our slope there, which is 0.15, and it's greater. How much greater is it? It's plus 0.1 greater. So what is 0.15 plus 0.1? Probably 0.25, right? Let's double check there. So we're gonna go 0.15 plus 0.1. Way-o! So 0.25 is our answer. Yeah, this unit looks like it's going to be pretty good. Getting ready for the ACTs. Let's go. So passage through the point -4 and 7, 3, -8. The slope of the line is positive, 0, negative, undefined, cannot be determined. Of course it can be determined. So you have to do y2. You have to do y2 minus y1. So -8 minus 7 over x2 minus x1. So that's 3 minus a -4. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 minus a -4. I'll let you figure out the rest. You got this. Using the formula. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 is the equation of the slope. What is the slope of the line given by this equation? Oh, solve for y. Solve for y. Yeah, put it into slope-intercept form. Put it into slope-intercept a form. Okay, let's see here. So I guess we're just going to go ahead and minus 2 over to this side. So we get 3x minus 2 equals 7y. And then we're just going to divide by 7. But if you do it to one side, you have to do it to everything on the other side. Way-o. And so we get 3/7 as our y-intercept. 3/7 as our slope. Let me double check, but I know that's right. Yep, 3/7. Could you do number 4 on your own? Could you do number 5 on your own? Pause me, remember? Pause me, try it on your own. So how do you find the slope given 2 points? So you could do the y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Or you could count it off. Rise over run. Down 2 over 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So down 2. So down 2 over 4. Yeah, down 2 over 4. What does that reduce to? What does that reduce to? You know, you know. Does that reduce to a half? Divide by 2, divide by 2. What is the slope? What is the slope? Negative 1/2. Way-o. Okay, so currently, what is the slope of the line through those points? So again, we have x1, y1, x2, y2. Yeah, find the slope. You know, you know. So y2 minus y1 over x. Pause me. What are you doing? You know what you're doing. You pause me. You try it on your own, and then push play and see how you did. I'm waiting. My heart is waiting for you. Aw. Come on, try it on your own. Right? It's the only way you can learn. You got this. Did you try it? So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Minus a minus is actually a plus. So 1 plus 6 is 7. And 3 minus 4 is negative 1. We got it. Negative 1/7 is the slope. So now I want you to find the equation of a line in slope-intercept form that goes through these 2 points. Ooh, come up with the equation of a line, huh? Well, we almost have it. So y equals negative 1/7 x plus b, right? Because we have our slope formula. Y equals mx plus b. We just need the b value. Well, you have to choose one of your x's. So I'm going to choose the positive x there. So maybe like 1/3. Yeah. So our 1/3, right? We have 1/3. So we have 1/3 as our x value and y value. And so we just plug it into our equation and solve for b. Way-o. Okay, so y is going to be 3. We have our slope. And then x is going to be 1 plus b. And so that's 3 is equal to negative 1/7 plus b. And so we're going to add 1/7 to the other side. Woo! So what is 3 plus, wow, what's 3 plus 1/7? I do not know that, but we can work it out. So b is equal to 3 plus 1/7. Oh, I know we need 7ths. Yeah, so this is just 3 over 1. How do we get a common denominator? Do you remember? Multiply the top and bottom. Multiply by 7. Should we use red? Multiply by 7. Multiply by 7. So that's going to be 21/7 plus 1/7 is 22/7. So b is equal to 22/7. And so that's going to be the equation of our line. So our b value is 22/7. So y equals negative 1/7 x plus 22/7 is our answer. So that was a little bit tougher one, wasn't it? So give number 6 a try now. So both have a sale going on this week. 4 pounds for $15 or $7 for 2 pounds. So what is Harmon's cost per pound rate of change? What is Smith's cost per pound rate of change? So Harmon's versus Smith's, basically. Right? Compare the 2 slopes. If you're looking for the best deal, where should you go to buy peaches? Explain. Yeah. So give that one a try. Give that one a try. Hey, good to see you. Did your kid come back in about 10 minutes?
I actually have to leave kind of soon.
So we're pretty good. We had a guy come in, and he did a really good job.
Okay.
So, but next time I'll need it.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks. Appreciate it.
Yep.
Take care. Okay, let's see here. I'm not sure if there's enough information for this. I guess if you look at the slope, I guess. It's weird, but I guess so. Let's see. So peaches advertised 4 pounds for $15. So if we have $15 divided by 4 pounds, and then Smith's is $7 divided by 2 pounds, I guess. Does that sound right? Does that sound like a slope kind of thing to you, I guess, right? Yeah, it looks like a slope kind of thing. So let's see. So 15 divided, whoa, Nubo, that's even. You let him do that. Oh, yeah. Let him do it. 7 divided by 2 pounds. Ooh, Looking cheaper at Smith's, you know, you know. Okay, let's see here. Don't forget to explain. Okay, write equation with a line that through the intersects the y-axis at 0, -4 and has a slope there. Oh my goodness, really? This is your y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right? Yeah, change your rate. So that's going to be 12 minus 10.5 divided by 0 minus 1. And so that's 1.5 divided by -1. So -1.5 is our change of rate. Oh, write a function of that. Well, we just found our change of rate, which is the slope. So that's d of t equals -1.5x, or I guess you'd say t, plus the y-intercept. And the y-intercept is where it crosses at 12. Right? 0, 12 is the y. Wherever it crosses on the y-axis, that's your b value. Right? That's your y-intercept, that's your b value. B equals 12. So b equals 12. And so there's our equation. How much snow do you expect to be on the ground 1 week from the storm? So we got to keep decreasing by minusing one more, minus 1.5. So that'll be 6 days. So then 4, so that's 0. 4 minus 1 is 3. So now this will be 3.0 for 6 days. And then minus 1.5 one more time. And that'll be 1.5 for 7 days. So how much snow did you expect to be on? So when x equals the 7th day, y is equal to 1.5. Woo! So 1.5 inches of snow. inches of snow. If the good weather continues, how many days will it take for the snow to melt completely? One more day. One more. Is that 8 days? I think that's 8 days, right? So one more day is 8 days. Yep. So one more day would be 8 days. You getting the hang of this? Man, you don't even need me. You don't need the video. You know what you're doing. You know what you're doing. You don't even need the video. Okay, we'll give it a try. Which of the following situations could be modeled by this equation? So which one of these? Here we go. So which one of these do you think? Why does it keep doing that? You little. Okay, so which one of these is going to be modeling the equation? Which situation? Ready? Come on, which of the following? Which situation is going to model the equation? There are initially 5 rabbits on the farm. Each month thereafter, the total number of rabbits on the farm is twice the number of rabbits in the previous month. How many rabbits are there after X months? Well, there is initially 5 rabbits, so that's pretty good. The total number of rabbits on the farm is twice the number of rabbits in the previous month. So if you have so how many rabbits are there after 1 month? Well, if it is the equation, that'd be 2 times 1 is so that'd be 5, and so that'd be 7. There are initially 7 rabbits on the farm. Oh yeah, you plug in a 0, and you get 5 rabbits. Then you plug 1, you get 7 rabbits. Huh. Could be modeled by the equation. Interesting. Andy is saving for new speakers in his car. He began saving with a $5 birthday gift card from grandma. Continues saving $2 each week. So how much money did Andy save at the end of X weeks? Well, let's see. So $2 each week, right? Plus your initial $5. So 1 week, plug it in. 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Man, I think there's more than one answer. I don't know. We'll have to check it out and see. Jacqueline earns $2 for each magazine sale. Each time he sells a magazine, he gets a $5 tip. So here's $2 for each magazine sale. Each time he sells a magazine, $2 for each magazine sale. Each time he sells a magazine, he also gets a $5 tip. How much will he be earning in X magazines? So really, you plug in 1, and you do get $2, so we could say 2x. Plus a $5 tip, so you plug in 1, and you get 7. You plug in 2 magazine subscriptions, and you get your $4. Plus 5 more. But this says each time he sells a magazine, he gets a $5 tip. So really, each time he sells a magazine, he's getting $7. So really, that should be $7 with X. So I don't think this one works. I'm not sure about those two. 5 rabbits on the farm. Each month thereafter, the total number of rabbits on the farm. Each month thereafter, the total rabbits on the farm is twice the number of rabbits in the previous month. Oh, this sounds more like an exponential growth. Because you have 5 rabbits on a farm, and then it's twice the number of rabbits in the previous month. So you have times 2, so that'd be 10. And then you're going to double that. And so that's going to be times 2. Yeah, so maybe just 2x, or maybe even 2 to the x power, actually. I don't know. But it's definitely, yeah. So we're looking at more C than A. Jason bought a plant and planted it in a pot. Whoa, how much time are we on? 19 minutes. Whoa, better stop. So he bought a plant and planted it in a pot near a window. As the plant grows, its height in inches modeled by that function. Okay, so list the key features. What's the y-intercept? Well, it looks like we're going by 2s. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's important. What the? That's going by 1s? And the other one's going by 2s? That's silly. Yeah, be careful there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Going by 2s. Going by 2s. Okay, so the y-intercept is at 6. So the y-intercept is at 0, 6, or 6. And then the slope, what's the slope? So over 1 up 2, looks like. Yeah, up 2 over 1 is looking like there. Up 2 over 1. Nice, which is just 2. Write a function and model the height. Oh, pause me, you got this. You know how to write it, don't you? Y equals mx plus b. You try it, go ahead. You got this. You don't even need me. You know what you're doing on this one? Come on, son, daughter. So our slope is 2, so 2x plus our y-intercept is 6. If the pattern continues, when will Jason's plant grow to 4 feet tall? Let's see, height of the plant in inches. Oh, so 4 feet tall would be going backwards. Oh no, feet. Sorry, it says feet. And so feet would be, this is in inches, right? And there's 12 inches per 1 foot. So how many is that? You know, you know, you know. So 12 times 4. And 12 times 4 is going to be 36, no, 48. Yeah, 4. So when is it going to be 48 inches tall, basically, right? Well, 24 inches is approximately 9 months. And so another 9 months. Is that going to be 18 months? I think that's going to be 18 months. 21 months. What the? That doesn't sound right to me. What the? Yeah, 48 inches. But that's predicting in 9 months, it's going to be 24 inches. And 24 and 24 is 48. I'm not sure if this is right. Let's see. 48 minus 6 is 42. 21 months? I guess so. That just doesn't sound... I thought it would just be double what's going on there. Because it's the same slope, right? Over 1 up 2. 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 So it'd be over 1 and then up 2. So over 1 up 2. Over 1 up 2. Right? Yeah. So let's give that a try with our graphing calculator. Yeah, let's use our software. Well, else would we have it, right? So let's give that a try. And so 2x plus 6. And so we graph it. There it is. And so when will we hit, how many months will we hit 48 inches, basically, right? So we'll go zoom 6. There we go. And so we're trying to get to what? We're trying to get to 48 inches? Yeah, 48 inches. That's funny, Noodle. You're crazy. Yeah, I am. Okay, we could have just done second table, couldn't we? But this is more fun. Whoa, there it is. So I guess it is 21. Wow. Oh, because of where it started off, I guess, the rise and the run, the slope. Cool. Okay, so oh yeah, because this distance here is not starting. That starts at 6. So we're 6 above. Okay, that makes sense. So that's why it's not 18 months, because 0 is 6. So this would be further along. Okay, nice. So algebraically, it's 2x plus 6 equals 48. So we minus 6 to the other side because we want 48 inches for y. So we minus 6 to the other side, and we get 2x is equal to 42. And then we divide by 2, divide by 2. Yeah, 21 months is our answer. So Jason purchased a plant in May 2022. What do you expect its height to be? Purchased a plant in May 2022 in May. So what do you expect its height to be at the beginning of June? Right? So May is the 5th month since purchase. And so June is the 6th month. So you'd expect it to be at 18. 18. What the? Oh, 28 inches tall? What the? But in January it was January is 8. And so in May, it was, let's see. Oh, he just bought it. Sorry, he just bought it in May. So if he just bought it in May, and so in June, it should grow 2 inches, basically. So it should grow 2 inches. So if he just bought it in May, it's going to grow 2 inches. And so it should only be 2 inches. What would you expect its height to be at the beginning of June of 2023? Whoa! 2023, that's crazy! Wow! So that's a long ways away, actually. So May, and then another May, so that's 12 months, plus the beginning of June, so that's actually 13 months. Woo! 13 months, that's crazy. Let me see. Because you have May, beginning, oh, purchased in May, so May. So I guess, so May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June. Yeah, so I guess 13 months should really what that would be at the beginning of June. I guess if you count May, what would they expect at the beginning of June? Well, when in May? Come on, say the beginning of May. You got to give me a whole month there to grow, to grow. Let's see. So basically, how much does it grow in a year is what we're looking at. So 11 and 12. So there's 12 months there. So that means that we're going to go 2 more to 30, basically. So it should grow 30 inches there. Let's see. So 28 inches would be 10 months. And I feel like it's more than that. I feel like it's more than that. So I really feel like it's, we're going to say a year. Purchase the plant in May. What would it be in June of next year? So May to June. I mean, you go pretty fast that first month. You grow that 2 inches. Okay. So that means basically it's going to be, we're going to say 13 months, okay? We're going to say 13 months. And so then we'll go y equals 13 months. So 13 for x. So that's 2 times x. So 2 times 13 plus your 6. I'm not sure about this, but we'll try it. So that's going to be 26 plus 6. And so that's going to be, I guess, let me see. Where did you start? I'm confused. 0 months since purchase. 1 month since purchase. 2, 3, 4, 5 months since purchase. So 12. So if it's 13 months, yeah, so it should be, that should be right. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So we'll double check, but I think it's 32 inches, but we'll double check. Okay, thanks for watching. Sorry I got so hung up on that problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. See you soon. Bye for now. Bye. For now. Bye. For now. Bye. You gotta hang up on the phone. Bye. Oh yeah, my turn.